Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning. Temperatures are starting to climb even despite lots of clouds. Winds will be picking up throughout the day, and once a warm front comes north, we'll see our temperatures begin to surge. We're still in the 30s though in some spots, and woke up this morning to a little bit of a frost out there, and that was pretty heavy in some cases due to temperatures getting pretty far down in the 30s, especially in sheltered valleys. At 9:30 this morning, forecast wind gusts not terrible, 10 to 15 miles per hour, maybe a gust that goes up to 20, but this afternoon is when the wind really starts to ramp up. We'll see a gust likely over 20 at times. The strongest winds, though, come in overnight when we're asleep into early Friday morning as the cold front is working through the state. Out ahead of that is where the strongest winds are and also the strongest surge of warmer air. We get our way into Friday night and the winds settle a bit before we see another surge of some gustier winds into late Friday night and into Saturday as a low pressure starts to pull away. Lots of clouds overhead, but the clouds are thinning out a bit once we get to the end of the loop here across parts of western Kentucky. Those thinning clouds move in here, and that's likely going to help us with some sun getting through to warm our temperatures pretty fast. And it'll come with this warm front too. That'll help to surge the warmth out ahead of the warm front. You'll also notice a little bit of rain. The greatest concentration of that rain is going to miss us and stay out west closer to Missouri and Illinois. For us, though, we could squeeze out a spotty shower or some patchy sprinkles. Most of us are dry. We head into tonight, mostly cloudy, and then the showers coming in late. Most of these coming in here toward dawn tomorrow morning, if not a little bit before that. Warm and mostly cloudy today, an isolated shower possible. I think most of us are mid-60s, but if we can get some breaks in those clouds, that could put some of us in the upper 60s. That's why you see that on the map there. Mostly cloudy, windy tonight, showers developing late. I think many of us are into the upper 50s for lows, if that. Deeper through time, that band of rain works east tomorrow to be some gustier showers. Then by tomorrow late afternoon and early evening, we're likely getting drier. This is the model that I was talking about, this and a few others that are trending further to the south and east with the second wave of moisture Friday night into Saturday morning. If this trend keeps continuing, the rain chances for some of us could be much lower tomorrow night into early Saturday. It may be pushing more into eastern and southern Kentucky. As it stands right now, yes, there still is rain in the forecast, especially farther south and east Friday night into Saturday. Tomorrow we'll call it gusty showers in the 60s for highs, the gustiest winds in the morning. Saturday, mainly morning rain early, especially East Kentucky, and then it gets colder. We may not get out of the 20s in spots for highs on Sunday. What a whiplash with temperatures. And then we stay relatively chilly, if not near seasonal levels, for it looks like a good part of next week.